Recording. No, we're not. Hi. Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of Paint Me Burly Babe. Ooh. So today's Burly Babe is Chelsea Mae Smooch. Hi. So Chelsea is Brisbane's blonde bombshell, and today she's going to be painting her smooch face all over my face. And we're going to have a super fun time.
We are. It's going to be the best.
Excellent.
Step one.
Yes.
One. Good. I have like these really big pores because I'm getting old and I have to fill them in first. I assume that's what primer is for, right?
I think so.
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's gone juicy.
Ooh. Oh, it's gone so juicy and
messy.
Very fun.
You ready, Eddie?
I'm ready.
I'm a bit nervous. I haven't done anyone's makeup since like maybe high school.
Oh, okay. That was only like a couple months ago though, so.
Just last year. And now we go in with the Kryolan TV stick because
that's what everybody's using.
We all do. I went and bought one especially.
Oh, excellent.
Because I usually use just my day foundation, but do like 2 or 3 layers.
Oh, okay.
And that sort of wasn't cutting it because the last one I bought was like a $10 one, so don't do that. Get the good stuff and feel better about yourself. It's also very important to use the dirtiest beauty blender that you have. This one's like, it's got a little crack in it and you talk, hello. And then
It's been erased.
we contour. Ta-da! This is the cheapest contour that is on the market, I swear.
Yeah.
It's like a $10 baddie from like Chemist Warehouse or something spectacular. I go a little bit higher than the cheekbone because I want to look happy at all times, even if I'm very sad. So we just do.
Oh, that's high.
Isn't it? Isn't it though?
That's cool.
I also do a little flick up at the end.
Oh.
Give you some little apples.
Oh.
Isn't it cute?
It is cute.
And then we have to go
Yes.
under the chin because only one. And then we do the hairline,
Ooh.
but like, we'll fix that in a minute.
Mm.
Because I wear a wig and it like
Yeah.
blends a bit.
Yeah.
And then we do the nose because I have a fat nose, but you wouldn't know it.
Nobody knows it.
It's not real. And I go from the eyebrow down. Oh, that's still a lot of colour on there. That's really fun. I think it's important to look a little bit like a clown before you blend.
Oh, before.
Well, and after.
So, where did you learn how to do your makeup?
I'm self-taught.
Mm.
Well, my nan, she's pretty fab. And like one of those older ladies that just looks perfect all the time.
Yeah. Always
And-
put together.
Yes. And I aspire to be like that, but I just don't have enough hours in the day to actually look as fabulous as
Yeah.
her.
Sure, she's not like working and stuff and
No.
performing.
She washes her hair in the laundry tub. Oh, it's fabulous. And you call her and you're like, hey Nan, do you want to come and have a tea with me today? And she's like, oh, sorry, I have to wash my hair. It takes her all day to wash it off.
Does she wash it and then set it and then?
Yeah, she's got to do like a wet set.
Yeah.
It's just the best.
I love it.
This was gifted to me. Match Perfection, Rimmel, London. I'm just using it up because why not?
I think maybe that's what Lenore uses.
Is it?
Yeah, I think she used a Rimmel powder, so
Wow.
there you go.
Just do what you gotta do is my motto.
Yeah,
Get it done.
definitely.
And the more powder the better.
Yes.
Also my motto.
Yes.
It's not true.
It is now.
Today it is.
Oh, it smells like old lady powder.
Yeah, doesn't it?
I love it.
And for a moment you feel a little bit romantic.
So how long have you been doing burlesque for now?
I have been burlesquing for close to 4 years. 4?
4 years?
Yes.
Nice.
And 2.5 years solo.
2.5 years as Smooch.
2.5 years as Smooch.
Excellent.
Whoever she is.
So how has Smooch changed over the 2.5 years?
She wears a wig now.
I did see your photos from your first solo performance with your actual natural hair.
She was so cute. It used to take me an hour to curl my hair. And then I realized it's a bad time. You know how you walk down the middle of the aisles in the shopping centre? And they like try to sell you a thing.
Oh, so this is one of those things.
I bought the thing. And this was like the most expensive eyeshadow that I'd ever bought. Oh, isn't it cute? None of them have names. Imagine if they had a name. Aphrodite Cosmetics though.
That's it. That's the name.
No name. Tube. Nude tube. 5-stack. Shimmer powder. That's not even eyeshadow. Alright. Clothes. You have to be careful because it just falls everywhere. I usually put my makeup on naked.
Oh yeah.
And then you just brush
it off.
And your boobies are a bit shimmery after.
Yeah.
That's what we're going for, shimmery boobies.
Body glitter.
So that's the base, always.
Yeah.
Even for work.
Oh, okay.
So Smooch is just like an extended version of my day face. Because I'm not that great at makeup.
She tells us now.
No, it's fine, like it turns out well. Close. So this is for the cut crease. Is that what they call it? Cut crease?
Yeah, why not?
Just like a bit darker. Sometimes if I'm having a lazy day and don't want to do a full show face, then I'll just do these two eyeshadows darker than usual. Or when I'm doing show boy.
Oh, okay.
Because I need to look
masculine.
somewhat.
I think I told you before, but in your show boy act, your mustache peel is just one of the best reveals I've ever seen.
Thank you.
It just, I don't know, it just makes me feel all funny inside.
It's a bit gross.
It's I don't know what it is. I just love it.
It's one of my favourite things to do, take off a moustache.
Yeah.
But it always removes your
makeup.
Yes, your foundation.
Nice.
And so where there once was a moustache, there is still a moustache, only it's like natural coloured moustache.
Yeah.
It's disgusting.
Nice.
This is the best eyeliner I've ever bought.
What is it?
It's, how do you say that?
NYX.
It is NYX.
Yeah.
I say NYX, NYX every time. Someone's like, what eyeliner do you use? I'm like, NYX, NYX.
Covering all bases.
Yeah, take whatever you like. So I recently learned that if I do my eyeliner with my eye open, I get a much better flick happening.
Yeah, because you can see where it's going to be because your eyes are open most of the time.
Yeah. So we just do like a really stupid big one. Because we're going to cover it with really big stupid eyelashes.
Excellent. So you started off just kind of natural hair.
Oh yeah.
Like minimalist makeup, I guess.
Super like as if I was going to a nightclub makeup because I didn't really understand what was happening. Open. Oh, I did a fine job.
Excellent. So how did you like develop yourself up to where Smooch is now? Like, what was it? Was it the eyelashes? Like, what was the turning point?
I always had really big eyelashes. And I always had really big lips. But I think it was just like looking at other performers and watching what they did and wanting to be like more.
Yeah.
I wanted to have a look.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely.
I'm not sure that I have a look.
I think you have a look.
Thanks. I'm working on it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Did it.
Take it to the eyebrows. That's the rules. Now, we do the waterline eyeliner because it makes your eyes look real big.
Okay.
Are you scared?
A little. What do you need me to do?
Just like open your eye and look up-ish. There we go. That wasn't terrible.
No, it's fine.
And the other one. Now, dun, 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 we're gonna do glitter. Glitter eyelids. This is glitter.
Yeah.
Standard glitter.
Yeah.
Not the good kind.
It's not biodegradable, but it's okay. If you want to pollute the earth, that's fine.
We're not.
No, I don't mind. You use whatever you want to use.
Okay, we're gonna do it.
Do it.
Because there's a bit of iridescent through it.
Oh, nice.
You want to catch the light with your eyeballs.
Yes, you do, yes.
So,
holographic glitter is the best.
do you want to know what else I do?
Ooh.
I use lip gloss
Oh.
to hold the glitter on my eyelid.
Oh, that's clever.
Comes off easy.
Yeah.
And it doesn't move around.
Yeah.
Because this lip gloss is about 10 years old.
And it doesn't like crease or anything?
Doesn't crease.
Wow.
It's magical.
Nice.
I'm not sure why. It's Red Earth. Red Earth lip gloss. I don't recommend it, but it does the job.
Do they even sell Red Earth anymore?
I don't know. Do they?
I don't know.
Oh. Maybe not.
I haven't seen it for so long.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Gloss me up.
And I just do like the lid part of the lid.
Mm.
So you get a little flash of glitter and not like
nice.
full glitter, because we like to be natural.
Mm.
You know.
Yeah.
And just one at a time, because otherwise your eyelid gets stuck open.
Oh.
Hello. And it's just a real
Oh, that's nice.
natural.
Oh, I love that.
You can even see it on the computer thing.
Yeah.
What's that? A camera.
Monitor.
Monitor.
Viewfinder.
Viewfinder.
Thing.
Eyebrows.
Let's do it.
Your eyebrows are a different colour to my eyebrows.
That is true, but
Also, this glitter fallout
mm.
just turns into highlighter.
Yeah. I love it.
Some people are much smarter than I. Fine. This one, I can tell you about this one.
Mm.
This is a Benefit brow kit.
Oh, is it Browsings?
Yep.
No.
We're using my eyebrow shade on your eyebrows,
Mm.
which is lighter than your natural brows.
Yeah, but it doesn't seem to look like wrong. Like once I have the wig on.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
You won't even notice that we've just lightened your brows.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's gorgeous. Love it.
Oh, you look fab.
I feel fab. Oh, mascara.
Mascara.
Nice.
I use Great Lash Maybelline
Mm. A classic.
since like grade 8.
Mm.
So for a very long time.
Mm.
And it's fine.
It's good. It's great.
You can layer a lot of it on.
Mm.
But, well, I don't really need to do this for you, but for me, my eyelashes are blonde.
Mm.
And so when I put on black lashes,
Mm.
you can see my blonde lashes underneath.
Mm.
So I have to colour them in slightly. This is my, not today, but for stage I use this as blush. It is a blush stick, but it's fluoro pink.
It's gorgeous.
Fluoro, can you see it this way? Hello, fluoro. It's been going for 5 years.
Mm.
We just do like a stripe, and this is how I feel like I'm putting on my war paint.
Yes.
Grr! There it is. This is how you clean Beauty Blender,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yeah,
I
for
think.
sure. I think your hands are made out of soap and water, are they?
Yes. This end is blush coloured. This end is face coloured.
I love it.
Yep. So we just, and this goes higher than where you would ever put blush.
Mm.
And my face is good for cleaning, my hand is good for cleaning brushes.
Definitely.
Also, usually if I'm cleaning my brush at home, I do it on my bum. So I have a brown and glitter stripe on my bum at all times.
Nice.
Not today.
Not today. She's wearing clothes.
Some. Alright. As it's designed.
Ooh, shimmer powder.
Shimmer powder now becomes highlighter. It's a subtle highlight.
So pretty.
Maybe the chin bit.
Yes.
And this bit.
Mm.
And this bit.
Ooh.
And then you like... Ta-da! And now it's time for the lashes.
The best part.
So a million years ago, I bought 5 sets of Dodo lashes.
Mm.
And now I only have 1 set remaining.
Oh.
And they've been used a million times.
Yeah. That's how you know they're good.
Yeah. They've got like shit on them.
Mm-hmm.
They've got old glue on them.
Mm-hmm.
So you just pull it off every time. Oh, that one's alright.
I always think to myself when I'm pulling the glue off my lashes, like, why don't I do this when I take my lashes off?
Because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. this is the appropriate way to take off your
Yeah.
eyelash glue lid. We're using Duo.
Oh, she's fancy.
It smells like farts. Have you smelled
It
Duo?
does smell really bad.
I don't know why. Riddle me this. Why don't we use spirit gum to stick on our eyelashes?
I think you could. People use all different kinds of things.
But surely it would hurt.
I don't know. I'm not really a spirit gum user myself.
Oh.
Yeah.
Fancy.
I use double-sided tape.
Okay. I'm very bad at putting my own lashes on, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Close the eye. Oh, that's fine.
That was
So
perfect.
fine.
It was just like, bam, we're on.
Okay, open. Oh! She's so smoochy. Last step is lips. Yeah?
Ooh, this is pretty.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, we're using
Jeffree Star.
Jeffree Star. Everyone loves Jeffree Star in prom night.
Are you being sarcastic?
Yep. His lipstick is fabulous, but his attitude towards the world is awful. I don't always do pink lips these days. I would like to.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Ooh, that's nice.
Go like this guy. Yeah. And the top lip. I don't know. No, just normal face it. And now we're doing glitter.
Yay.
What's this one? Pink. Glitter a go-go. Fabulous.
It's called In the Pink.
In the pink. First up, Prose. Drink. Drink! This should have been a drinking game, Margeaux.
It should have.
Oh!
Next time.
Post-production. Alright. How does it feel?
Feels sticky.
Covered?
Feels covered. It feels like we've got a good amount on.
So we dipped our cotton bud in wine for further fabulousness.
Yes.
Do you dab or do you swipe?
Good job. I think that like you can fuck everything up, but you just cover it in glitter and no one will ever know.
That's the truth. That's how we fixed your eyes. Yep.
Perfect.
Yes! Look how fabulous you are. We're like eyebrows. Sisters, not twins.
We are.
Right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
We like it messy.
Wait. So you curled this morning?
Yes.
What do you curl it with? Heat rollers?
I do, and I shouldn't because it's frazzled the ends. But she's kind of to the end of her life now.
I can put a wig cap on if you want.
No.
We're beyond
That would be ingenuine.
Oh, you don't wear wig caps?
No. Ooh. Look at you. It's extra fun if you don't pin this up before you go on stage and then spend the whole time pushing this back. That's it. The finished look. Mae Smooch. Ooh. Yes. Get down with your bad self.
What does Smooch do?
That's it. You're gonna do this face. Ooh. Look extra confused. And then like a really big. Yes. That's all. I only have two faces.
I look so different.
You look exactly like me.
Well, Smoochy, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
This was so much
It
fun.
was fun.
I loved
Look at
becoming
you.
Smooch. We're the Smooch sisters.
The Smooch sisters. You have to make those noises.
Oh.
So fab.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hooray.
Bye.
Goodbye.